This soap is a 100% natural soap. It's a very bright citrusy blend, and it actually ended up going a different way than I had intended. So my initial plan was for it to be a citrusy, sunshiny soap, and it does smell that way, but my little kaleidoscope circles didn't quite look as much like orange as I wanted it to. And after I made it and cut it, I'm like, oh my gosh, this reminds me of the books Dune, or like the planet Arrakis with the spice. So I ended up naming these Spice Planet. If you've ever read the books, I've read every single one of them that's ever come out, and or seen the movies. There's been lots of movies on it, but anyway, this is what I call the Spice Planet, and I think that really does look like a desert planet, and then what I imagine the spice to look like to be on that. So for this soap, and this is already wrapped in biodegradable shrink wrap, so you have that extra layer of sustainability there. But for this soap, I used a blend of lemongrass and bergamot with this for the fragrance, and then I added carrot juice to the lye solution, as well as turmeric. That is where that nice color is. And I have some lemon peel and orange peel in there, so you have a little bit of the exfoliation. Now, for this part, I did the Kaleidoscope with my column mold. So the Kaleidoscope pull, I end up using a mix of turmeric again and unscented, that's where that, excuse me, uncolored and unscented for the white part, madder root, and Aussie Red Clay. So the Aussie Red Clay is that darker red, and the madder root is kind of the lighter pink. So anyway, we're gonna go ahead and cut on over to me making these soaps, but they smell so nice and so fresh. That lemongrass has a nice sharp tartness to it that is so fresh in the shower.